Discover the perfect blend of power, precision, and style with our top 5 best gas cooktops. From high BTU burners for intense searing to delicate simmer control for gourmet creations, these cooktops redefine your cooking experience. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or building a new one, these models deliver professional performance and modern elegance. Number 1. Amzgastop 30-inch built-in gas cooktop. The Amzgastop 30-inch built-in gas cooktop is a powerhouse of performance and design, perfect for both professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. Featuring 5 Italian Sabaf seal burners, this cooktop delivers versatile heating options, from a 20,000 BTU tri-ring burner for powerful boiling and searing to 4000 to 7000 BTU simmer burners for precise low-heat cooking. The highlight is its 2-in-1 reversible cast iron grill and griddle, allowing you to easily switch between making pancakes and grilling steaks, offering exceptional versatility in one appliance. Built with premium 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability and easy maintenance. The flame failure detection system and CSA certification provide peace of mind with top-tier safety standards. Moreover, the cooktop is LPG-NG convertible, making it suitable for various kitchen setups, including homes, outdoor spaces, and mobile kitchens. The automatic electric pulse ignition adds convenience, while the edge-to-edge cast iron grates offer stability and style. Overall, the Amzgastop 30-inch gas cooktop combines power, safety, and elegance, a must-have upgrade for a modern, efficient kitchen. Number 2. Gasland 30-inch gas cooktop. The Gasland 30-inch gas cooktop brings the perfect balance of power, performance, and safety to your kitchen. Equipped with 5 Italian Sabaf seal burners, it offers a range of heat options, from 13,000 and 10,300 BTU high-output burners for boiling, searing, and frying to 4,000 and 7,000 BTU simmer burners ideal for delicate dishes. This versatility makes it perfect for any cooking style, from quick stir-fries to slow-simmered sauces. Its 2-in-1 reversible grill and griddle, made of heavy-duty cast iron, ensures even heat distribution and delivers those perfect grill marks every time. The black enamel surface not only adds a sleek, modern look but also resists stains and heat for effortless cleaning. Designed for flexibility, this cooktop is LPG-NG convertible, making it suitable for both natural gas and propane setups, ideal for homes, small kitchens, or RVs. With CSA certification and a thermocouple flame failure protection system, you can cook with confidence knowing safety is guaranteed. Durable, stylish, and efficient, the Gasland 30-inch gas cooktop is an excellent upgrade for anyone seeking reliable performance and easy maintenance. Number 3. Trifecte 30-inch stainless steel gas cooktop. The Trifecte 30-inch stainless steel gas cooktop delivers exceptional performance, durability, and safety for modern kitchens. Featuring 5 Italian Sabaf concealed burners, it ensures a consistent, clean blue flame with no gas leakage, offering long-lasting reliability even with daily use. The burners provide a wide BTU range, 3,500 to 10,000 BTUs, allowing you to melt chocolate, simmer sauces, or rapidly boil water, all at once for efficient meal prep. Safety is a top priority with its thermocouple flame failure protection system, automatically shutting off gas if the flame goes out. The cooktop is also LPG-NG convertible, giving flexibility for both propane and natural gas users. A built-in 1 to 60-minute timer adds extra precision and peace of mind, helping prevent overcooked or burnt dishes. Built from 0.65mm stainless steel, it resists rust, stains, and scratches, while heavy-duty cast iron grates support large pots and make cleaning easy. With metal knobs, drop-in installation, and a 1-year warranty, the Trifecte 30-inch cooktop blends power, safety, and sophistication, an ideal addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Topwish 36-inch built-in gas cooktop. The Topwish 36-inch built-in gas cooktop is a premium combination of power, precision, and elegance, ideal for any modern kitchen. It features 5 high-efficiency Italian Sabaf burners, including a 12,000 BTU dual-ring burner for powerful stir-frying and boiling, a 10,200 BTU semi-rapid burner, 2 6,000 BTU rapid burners, and an auxiliary burner for gentle simmering. This versatile setup allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, from delicate sauces to sizzling steaks. Crafted with 304 food-grade stainless steel, the surface resists stains, heat, and discoloration while ensuring effortless cleaning. The edge-to-edge heavy cast iron grates and heat-resistant knobs add both durability and style. Designed for flexibility, the cooktop is NG or LPG convertible, making it suitable for homes, RVs, and compact kitchens. Safety is guaranteed with thermocouple flame failure protection and CSA certification, automatically cutting off gas if the flame extinguishes. Easy to install and even easier to maintain, the Topwish 36-inch gas cooktop delivers professional-grade performance, long-lasting reliability, and sleek modern design for your cooking space. Number 5. Fotile Stainless Steel 5-Burner Gas Cooktop. The Fotile Stainless Steel 5-Burner Gas Cooktop, GLS 36502, is a chef-grade appliance designed for power, safety, and elegance in any modern kitchen. It features 5 versatile burners, including a 22,000 BTU tri-ring center burner ideal for searing, boiling, and stir-frying, 2 13,000 BTU high-output burners for fast cooking, and 2 simmer burners, 3,000 and 6,000 BTUs, for precise low-heat control. Whether you're whipping up a delicate sauce or a fiery wok dish, this cooktop delivers exceptional versatility. Constructed from 304 food-grade stainless steel, it combines strength and style with edge-to-edge cast iron grates and heat-resistant knobs for durability. The flame failure detection system ensures maximum safety by automatically cutting off gas when the flame goes out. Designed for convenience, the seamlessly sealed burners make cleanup effortless. Just remove the grates and wipe the surface clean. The wok support attachment and 1-second fast ignition further enhance usability. Backed by a 5-year warranty and CSA certification, the Fotile gas cooktop guarantees performance, reliability, and peace of mind for years to come.